Regardless, if you like the Foursquare or not, the Foursquare is very effective when you are thinking about a greeting. What's on a Foursquare? You have the pricing, the payment, the down payment, and you have the trade value. When I go to greet a customer, I keep the Foursquare in the back of my mind. Welcome to the dealership. Thank you for coming in. What vehicle did you come to see today? Oh, what a fantastic choice. Even though inventory's tight right now, I'm confident if anybody can help you with one of those, it is going to be me. Now I think about the Foursquare. If I get a commitment to even one of these boxes, I know I have pre-sold the write-up. Let's go out, let's take a look at a vehicle. I'll be more than happy to give you prices, payments, anything you want today. If I get them to say yes, they want to see pricing, yes, they want to see payments, or if I say, what are you driving now? Oh, what a great vehicle. We're looking to buy vehicles like that. What are you planning on doing with it? Oh, you're thinking about trading it or selling it? I'd love to see it. A commitment to anything in the Foursquare early on is a commitment from the buyer that they're going to go through your sales process, and a commitment that they will see numbers and go through the write-up process.